Okay, got the Ryoga Crazy Cranker 1520cc. Smooth as silk, absolute butter. Built in Japan. This is yeah, one of the nicest reels I've ever held in my hands. I've got to give you a hot tip. What we're working with to start with. Do that again, one more. Rightio, let's see what it does once we change these bearings. Rightio, so I've got it apart. This one with the kit for these, all it comes is for the spool and the cover. So I've got these two bearings. Difference is in, obviously there's a spool bearing on there. Again, Boca bearings tool. It was really tight, but this pushed it straight out, so it was good. Come out fairly easy. Remember, it's a tapered piece, so make sure you're going out the right way. Did notice from the difference from the Tatula to the Tatsuo, or whatever way you call it, to the Ryoga, the spring is a tapered, like a rhombus or whatever you call it, instead of the other one was just a straight square. Hopefully I should just tap out. Get him to pop out, that'd be nice. There we go. Good thing I did notice when I did pull the spring out, it jumped off the side, but the magnets from the mag brake held it, so that was awesome. Okay, so that's the two bearings we're going to be changing out in this. Check him out, all good. Slot straight in. No problems. A little clip. Beautiful, that's the cover one done. Put him back in the bag. So I've got them spare. This one's going to go on. Straight on. This clip's a bit tricky. So we come back the way we came. And you do have your grooves on the side of the unit. So you can clip that back up. Just checking, make sure you don't want to bend him. Then I'll give that a little tap. That's him, that's the bearings. So we'll put that one in there. Put that back and I'll put it back together. Bear with us. Okay, back together, all good. Obviously you can hear the new bearings in there. Ready to go. Super duper, that's the Ryoga. I'll keep my old bearings. Put them in the packet, I'll mark that one up. And that's it. And one done. Ready to go. Ryoga 1520 Boca bearing upgrade kit. How can you beat it?